Hello guys, welcome to agriculture tutorials. Today I am discussing about detailed subject of agriculture in brief important points related to nowadays organic farming. The relevant topic due to climate change hazards, we need to step back to our ancient roots for prosper our health of individual in our nation. So organic farming gives sustainability towards agriculture. In that, first, during Vedic period, Homa farming prevails from Vedas based on the principle in Homa farming. If he heal the atmosphere healed by us, means in one sentence you heal the healed atmosphere will heal you. This is also known as revealed science. This entirely spiritual practice comes from the Vedic period. The chanting of Sanskrit mantras, Agnihotra Puja. You people observed that sometimes during holy period time, wherever the festivals takes place, there some mantras we can listen in Sanskrit. Like that, in Homa farming, Agnihotra Puja contains some Sanskrit mantras at specific time in day before a holy fire. Like our Pongal, Bogi Manta in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Like in India also takes place several linguistic basis. The name we can observe. Next, from the Agnihotra, the ash that results from the puja is energize the compost, plant and animal. The holistic healing for agriculture can be used in conjugation with any good organic farming system is called as Homa farming. Agnihotra is the basic Homa fire technique based on biorhythm of sunrise and sunset. Can be found in ancient science of Vedas. Agnihotra has been simplified and adapted to modern times so anybody can perform it. During Agnihotra, dry cow dung, ghee, that is clarified butter and brown rice are burned in inverted pyramid shaped copper vessel along with special mantra, that is word tone combination is sung. It is widely believed that through the burning organic substances, pyramid formed copper vessel, inverted pyramid formed copper vessel valuable for purifying and harmonizing energies that arise from this technique. These are directed into atmosphere and atmosphere will heal us and contain with the remaining ash. This highly energized ash can be successfully used as organic fertilizer in organic farming. This is one of the ancient farming technique. Whichever the ash came from this Agnihotra Puja used for our crop plants, which gives beneficial effects, increases our crop biomass and yields also. Sorry friends. Thanking you friends, have a nice day. Today I am just explained Homa farming. In coming videos I can explain all this PPT in synaptic view. The importance of our agriculture I will explain one by one daily. Please like and share and subscribe to my videos. Jai Hind.